We're here today with the head coach of Charlie Smith, Eugene Williams. Coach, coming out on the winning end today, please speak to me about your team's performance today.
Well, as I say, the most important thing is to win. That is the most important thing. As you can see, as the game progresses, we were playing a little judges like the butterflies. But as the game progresses, you kind of see we kind of take charge of the game.
Alright, coming into this game, 0-0. Walk me through your previous games. 1-1, sorry, my apologies. Walk me through your previous game's performance.
As I say, when we can get the proper field to play, proper playing surface, you can see the best of Charlie Smith.
Alright, so coming into the game, were you guys confident that you would have pulled out a result such as this?
Yes, man, most definitely, man. As I tell my players, you know, we have talent, you know. And if you really come to our training session, you see what we possess. It's just for them to just believe in themselves.
Alright, coach. An outstanding individual performance by your standout centre back and captain. Speak to us about his importance to the team.
Well, his importance, one of the things we have to look for. Me growing up, I was a defender, and I try to instill that in them. Me want my team to be one of the strongest team defensively, and him is the one where I look up to. I try to encourage him to make him be a leader.
Well, he definitely demonstrated on the field today. So, coach, first round done and dusted, second round done and dusted. You guys have successfully progressed into the quarterfinals, the serious stage of this year's Manning Cup. What can we expect from Charlie going forward?
Well, as we say, you know, Charlie Smith's chance is as good as any, you know. Because once Charlie Smith turn up on that day, you know, and perform to the best of our ability, you know, the sky is the limit.